let's say that we have mixed fractions now, like a negative 3 1/3 plus 2 1/4. Okay, and we were said before that it's easier if we just go ahead and make that an improper fraction, right? So as an improper fraction, Michael, what do we get here?
Multiply 3 times 3.
Okay, 3 times 3 is 9,
Plus 1.
plus 1 is 10, right? So is it 10 like that?
Negative 10.
Negative, good. Plus, and then 2 times 4 is 8,
Plus 1.
plus 1 is 9, so that's 9 over 4, all right? So that hasn't changed any. And so, Megan, now what do we need to do?
Found a common denominator.
Find a common denominator, right, which would be what?
12.
12. So that means we got to multiply what's
4 times 4 over 4.
4 over 4, and the other one is going to be
3 over 3.
3 over 3. Good. Okay, so that'll give us a negative 40 over 12 plus 9 times 3, 27 over 12. Okay, and so when you subtract those two, Sarah, what do we get?
Negative 67 over 12.
Negative, well, careful now, because are we adding or subtracting?
I was subtracting.
Subtracting, right? So it's like here we got negative 40 and positive 27, so we got to borrow, right? So it looks like with this plus here that we're adding, but because the signs are opposite, we're really subtracting, right? And so that's going to give us what? Well, let's see, 10 minus 7, what's that? 3, and then 3 minus 2.
1.
And so what did we get now?
Negative
Negative 13 over 12. So, and that's what I was telling you guys before, is that everybody here knows how to add and subtract. But with the negatives, you've always been used to, with negatives, subtracting. Subtract, 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 subtract. But now, yeah, you know, you have, and then when you saw a plus sign in between the numbers, you always thought, okay, well, we're going to add. Well, now you have to look at more than just the sign of the middle number. You have to look at the sign of both numbers. And you have to see, okay, if the signs are opposite, what are we doing? Subtracting. If the signs are the same, we add. But we can add negatives, right? So we have to be careful with that. And then if we wanted to put that as a mixed fraction, it'd be negative 1 and